Hello, good evening. Good evening to all of you. Today we are going to discuss the MRSM, MRSM, paper 2. So, okay, this is a formula. So the formula, you no need to memorize, they will give you, you no need to worry about the formula of the physics. Okay, now, let's, before the class start, all right, now it is 7:26. So now let me spend some time to teach you now how to get the A in physics. Wait, right? If you want to get an A in physics, so this one I already tell you, but because of today, I put this one to public, so maybe other public, not my student, they also can see, so they will know how to get an A, how many marks to get an A, where should I score, where should I not to score. Okay, all right. Give me 1 minute. I go calculator first. Okay, so if you want to get an A in physics, so minimum it is 72 mark. All right, you know it is 72 mark. A minus lah, I mean, all right, at least say 72. So how many mark that you can need to get in paper 1 and paper 2 and paper 3? Okay, so paper 1 it is 40 marks, right? You know it is 40 mark, right? Paper 2, you got section A, you got B, you got C, right? B, you got 2 questions, you choose 1. C, you got 1 question compulsory to do, question number 11. So this one is 20 mark, this one is 20 mark. So this one, it is 60 mark. And then paper 3, you have done it, and then well done, Archimedes. All right, I guess most of you can get it well. Okay, so you're reading, a lot of you PM me, tell me, Cikgu, my reading, okay, 2, 4, not 2, 4, 6, at 10. Okay, go ahead. Very good. So now this one, it is 15 mark. So I believe, right, this one, paper 3, so you can easily get what I told you, all right, like 12 mark. Okay. You can go and calculate whether you can get 12 mark or not. All right, mostly I guess you can get 12 mark lah. Okay, then very good. So now section B and section C, I want you to get minimum 15 marks at least. This one is at least. Of course you can get better than this, it is better. All right, so now this one you can get 40 until 45. Oh, sorry, before I forgot, I need to calculate how many total here. So this is 40 total, 40 plus 60 plus 20, 20. Okay, 40 plus 60 plus 20 plus 20 plus 15, 155 altogether, right? So we've done it before. So now we do a simple mathematics first. X, how many mark you can get? Okay, no, X is not here. So 72, you want to get an A, right? 72, X over 155 times 100. Okay, so this 155 go up, this one 100 go up. So X is equivalent to 155 times 72 divided by 100. So you need to get 1.6. So about 112. All right, 112. We'll put it to 112. So now here, so this one I said you need to get about 40 to 45, right? At least 40 to 45, so that here will be easier for you to get A, right? Easier for you to get A. So now I put it as minimum 40 first, all right? 40. So maybe some of you will get like 30 something, maybe lah. So if 30 something, then this one need to be very, very hard. All right, so we will see 112 minus 12 minus 15 minus 15 minus 40. So you need to get 30 here. So if you get 36 here, mean you need to get 34 out of 40. Kind of hard. So this is the marks that you need to score. Alright. If you can get this one 45, then this one you'll feel very comfortable. You just need to get 25 and above to get an A. Alright. So where do you get the marks from here? How do you get the marks? So here it is the most important one. Okay. This one 15, 15. So I hope you can get it. So this one 10 to 12, right? Very, very easy to get one. So this one you already got it. So now you need to know where to get the mark, right? Okay. Now, so today we are going to focus into we go to the 50 mark first, right? About question number 10 and 12. 10, 11, 12. 9, 10, 12. And 9, 10, 11, sorry. What am I saying? 9, 10, 11. So this is section B. We go to the section B first. So you are going to have answer any one of the question in this section. So this is question number 9 and question number 10. So question number 9. So we roughly look at the question. What is the question asking? Okay. So this is so obvious. This is electron produce the thermionic emission process pull toward the anode in a vacuum tube. So this is cathode ray oscilloscope, right? Not oscilloscope, cathode ray, right? So this is a cathode ray. So this 5 mark, all right? I want you to get it. This 1 mark, if can, you get it. So you got 6 mark already. Next one, this one 4 mark, all right? I put a question mark here because of this 4 mark. I told you it is not so easy to get one. Okay, so you maybe you can get 2 mark, all right? 2 marks. If you can get 2 marks, then I'm happy already for you. All right. So 6 plus 2 add already. So now this question. Now the most important question when you choose is this essay question 10 mark one. So I want you to be very confident when you do this. If you are not confident, choose another one. So the best thing is the most important one is you need to read this question first. So D 9.3 shows a cathode ray oscilloscope CRO connected to an incomplete rectifier circuit to charge 9 volt of smartphone. Okay, they want to charge the smartphone. So this is what they have. The step up transformer, step down transformer, step up transformer, step down, step up. Okay, and then the box here, the box here, the box here, the box here. And then the connection of the capacitor series with the resistor. Alright, parallel to the resistor, parallel series, and then lastly output is this one. Are you sure this one you want to do it? If me, of course, I think this question is quite easy lah for me lah. So if you are not sure, then you can choose another one. Okay, so I read another one for you first before we continue. So because 9 and 10 you can choose one. So this one is this light. So light normally it is not that easy. Okay, so now diagram 10.1 shows an image form when the light ray from the object propagate through a convex lens. The focal length of the convex lens, it is 12 cm. So this one. Okay, now this one explain the lens how to use the rectify the short sightedness. So this one 5 mark. So normally it is 4 mark lah, but now this one they give you 5 mark. So this one very hard for you to get marks. All right. So now come to this one. Diagram 3, most important is this one. So diagram 10.3 shows the apparatus to build the simple microscope normal adjustment in school physics laboratory. Okay, now the focal length of the FO and FE, right? Objective lens and eyepiece. So which one have to be longer? Which one have to be shorter? You need to know. If you don't memorize these, you cannot do it at all. So position of the object way, power of the lens, objective lens, high or low, and then lastly distance of the object and the eyepiece, which one? Okay, so I will do both for you. But if I will choose the question number 9. Now some of the students will ask me, teacher, can we do both? Yes, can. You can do both. All right. So last time they will pick the best one for you, but depend on the marker lah. So sometimes they lazy, they just pick the first one. Right? If they are hardworking, they will mark both for you. They will pick the best one for you. But always recommend you to do one only, because you got not enough time to do all. Right? Don't spend your time with the thing that you are not confident. All right. So we do question number 9 first. Okay. We do question number 9 first. This one I asked you to do earlier already. Now, 9.1 shows the electron produced from the thermionic emission thermionic emission process pull toward anode in the vacuum tube. What is mean by thermionic emission? So what is thermionic emission? So let me draw for you. So here I got one metal. So what I do is I'm going to heat it up. Wait. I use Bunsen burner, let's say lah. I use Bunsen burner to heat it. This is a metal. So I use Bunsen burner, whatever. I go and heat it up. So here, there is one atom. Here, it is one atom. Here, it is one atom. A lot of atom. This atom here consists of a lot of electron. So the electron jump out from the metal when you heat it up. So you put it into words right now. Alright. So what is thermionic emission? Thermionic emission is a process of release of electron from the metal surface when the metal is heated. Okay, you put it into words. That's all. Thermionic emission is you heat the metal will emit electron or release electron. Emit electron better. Alright, emitting electron from the metal surface when the metal it is heat up. So we see the answer letter lah. Alright, we see the answer scheme. Never mind, I go and open. This one. Wait. Why empty one? Oh, okay, here. We see the answer letter lah. Okay, I open first. Alright. So given a charge of electron is 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19, and the mass of the electron it is 9.11 times 10 to the negative 30. Now calculate the kinetic energy of electron when the ETH is 5 kilovolt. So how to do this? Now you need to know, now the kinetic energy it is the kinetic energy's formula. So I see the question given or not. Half mv square, right? Kinetic energy. Here it is not given. Kinetic energy, the formula is not given, right? But here got lah half mv square lah. Just you need to memorize it is half mv square. Okay, so number one, kinetic energy is equals to 1 over 2 mv square. Half mv square, half mv square, half mass of the electron. Mass of the electron, it is 9.11 times 10 to the negative negative 31, if not mistaken. Yeah, 9.11 times 10 to the negative 31 m, and then v square. V, how much is the V velocity? I don't have it. So you cannot use this formula. You cannot use this formula. You cannot use this formula. So you need to use the formula of EV. EV. Right? Because the formula come from where is this formula come from? This formula is actually come from V is equal to W over Q. W is work done. Q, it is charge. V is voltage potential difference. Here it is potential difference. Right? So you time the charge. Right? V is equal to W over Q. Over Q, Q you time it to here. So V is potential difference, same. Q is the charge of electron. So it is your work done. Work done, we normally say energy. Right? Energy is equal to your EV. Alright? So EV, we put it in EV. Okay? E is 1.6 here. They gave you electron. Right? 1.6. So 1.6 times 10 to the power of negative 19. Okay? V is 5 kilowatt. 5 kilowatt. So you put it in 5,000. So calculator, 1.6 exponent negative 19 times 5,000. So what do we get? 8 times 10 to the negative 16. Unit, it is in joule. Must write unit. So the standard way to answer the question is formula, substitution, and answer with correct unit. Substitution and answer with correct unit. Okay, so you need to answer in this way. So now this is the answer. So now the second one, they ask you the maximum velocity of the electron. Right? So come back to the formula here. So this one is the energy. Right? Energy is equals to half mv square. Right? Kinetic energy, half mv square. So energy, we got it from here already. Right? So we put it in 8 times 10 to the power of negative 16. Is equals to half mv square. M. What is the M? M is 9.11 times 10 to the power of negative 31. Like what we put in just now. and then V square. So V you don't know. You don't know how much is V. Okay, you don't know how much is V. So this one is energy, kinetic energy. You put it into here. Half m mass of the electron, mass of the electron, mass of the electron, and then V square. So you can calculate the V. So this one, you need to time 2. Divided by this one, 9.11 exponent negative 31 equal. So this one, don't forget this one is V square. And then you need to square root to get your V. So your V is 41908,373.21. So you put engineering here. This is 4.191. 4.191 to the power 7. Times 10 to the power of 7. Now remember, when you put your answer here, remember when you calculate, this one must be slower than your V, must be less than speed of light. Speed of light is 3 times 10 to the power 8. So because of nothing can move faster than speed of light. If just now you forget to square root, you got this one 15. 15 now you know it is faster than light. So it is impossible. Right? So be careful when you put in. So this one, the calculation, if you know the formula, you just substitute in and then you will get 5 marks here. So question number 9. We'll go and see the question number 9. Okay. Here. Why empty one? Okay. Here. Now, you see how many marks here? 3 marks. So you write EV, kinetic energy is equal to EV. And then you substitute 1 mark. And then answer 1 mark. Okay. So this one 3 marks. Wow. So good. Okay. So you can use kilojoule lah, but normally I will not change to kilojoule lah. If you want to change to kilojoule, it is okay. Next one, it is here. 4.1908 or 4.191 times 10 to the 7 ms minus 1. So where is the mark? So the formula and then the substitution and the answer. So this one, they give you 1 mark. Right? Answer with correct unit, 1 more mark. Answer with unit 3 titik perpuluhan. So 1, 2, 3, at least 3. Okay, so yeah, you will get the mark. Okay, make sure. All right, so so what is thermionic emission? I haven't gone and see. So thermionic emission, the emission of free electron from the heated metal surface. All right, so they said reject pembebasan elektron tambah ayat kepada maksud. You cannot add in other. All right, so now it is the emission of electron from the heated metal surface also can. You can put it into this way. All right. So what I said is thermionic emission. It is a process of emitting electron from the metal surface when the metal is heated. All right. Same thing. All right. So now, any other question before we continue? All right. Should be okay. So we go to this part. Right. I told you this part. It is hard to get 4 marks. So 9.2 shows a multi-cross tube. So what is formed on the fluorescent screen S1 and S2 cross? Explain your answer. Okay. Now we try to look at what is S1 first. S1 close. All right. S1 close. So this one, the supply current to here. Now S2, it is ETH here. This one is extra high tension. Right. Come to here. So now they cross both S1 and S2. So meaning that this one, it is going to release electron from here, right? When S1 is crossed, so electron are released from the metal surface, right? So when S2 is crossed, what happened? So here they are having the this is cathode, right? So this is cathode, this is anode. So the anode here, it is going to pull the electron to here, to accelerate the electron. So now this Maltese cross is blocking the electron. So here you will see the shadow form right here. Alright, you see the shadow form right here. So this is what we have. What is formed on the screen when S1 and S2 is crossed? Explain your answer. Alright, 4 mark. I try. If you can get 2 mark, then good already. So not enough stress, so I do it here. I put it to here. When S1 and S2 is closed, what is formed on the screen? Right? What is formed on the screen? Right? They ask you what is formed on the screen? Fluorescent screen. So now a shadow, a black shadow formed on the screen. A black shadow of Maltese cross. Shadow is formed on the screens. Shadow of what? Shadow of the Maltese cross is formed on the screen. Okay. Now this one maybe will give me 1 mark. Oh, okay. Explain why you said the Maltese cross. Why you said this? Okay. First of all, I don't know where is the mark, so I just guess that electron, they cannot jump like that, so they are blocked. So why it is blocked? Because of the electron is moved in a straight line, right? So for me, I think electron move in a straight line will have 1 mark. So the electron are blocked by the Maltese cross. Okay, so these two, shadow is formed, move in a straight line, block, probably will give me mark. So, and I don't know where is other mark. So now I need to put in other thing. So when S1 it is closed, right? So the electron thermionic emission happen, right? So the electron are released from the emitting from the metal surface, from the cathode. All right, so I just put it in because of I don't know where is the mark. From the cathode. The electron is emitted from the cathode. Okay. So what happened? So when S2 is crossed, the electron is accelerate with high speed. Okay. Okay. This is what we have. What do I have? So I add in one more. When the electron hit the surface of the should be fluorescent or pentafluoro. Let me see. Hit the fluorescent screen. The kinetic energy will converted to light energy. Okay. So this is what I have. So we try to have the look into the answer. So now, okay. Two shadow form. Alright. Oh, they mentioned there is two shadow, but I didn't mention how many. So this one I don't have. So wajib makawan. Alright. So the first shadow are formed due to the light is blocked by the Maltese cross. Right. So light is blocked by the Maltese cross. So do I have it? So I see my answer. So electron or light also can, electron also can, because they are the same thing here. So electron are blocked by the Maltese cross. So this one I'm having 1 mark here. Right. Now the second one, it is the second shadow, it is formed due to the fluorescent atom being hit. Okay. So the fluorescent, the shadow form, it is because of the shadow is this form by the hitting of the electron. So wajib maka 3, wajib 1, wajib 2, wajib 3. I just 2 only. So this one I said it, the light produced, right? But I never said the shadow, it is formed by the fluorescent, right? So the next one is fluorescent screen. It is green shadow form, Maltese shadow form. So I don't have it. So electron strike or hit the fluorescent. So the electron, it is hit the surface of the fluorescent screen. Yes. All right. So here you get it. Kinetic electron change to light. So this one here 1 mark and then 1 mark. So these two can give you 1 mark. But these 3 must be having. They said wajib. So I just got this one and this one. Right? These 2 will give me 1 mark. Right? So kinetic will change to light energy. So now the mark that I get is here and here. 2 mark only. So I told you this one for mark, how many mark you can get. Right? If the teacher very good, they will say this one move in the straight line. Okay. Blocked by the Maltese cross. Boleh lah. Give you 3 mark lah. Then I will get more than what I expect. So at least you need to get 2. Right? Okay. Wait now. This is the correct answer. Okay, this is the mark. So I mark on my own. Okay, here the shadow it is formed. The shadow it is formed on the screen. The shade, but I never said 2 shadow. I just said 1 shadow. I never said how many shadow. I just set shadow in this form. So I don't know whether they can give me mark 1 or not. Okay. Now, the electron are blocked by the multis cross here 1 mark, and then here 1 mark. So this one question mark. Okay. All right, next one. We continue. Okay. Now, 9.3 shows a cathode ray oscilloscope connected to the incomplete rectifier circuit to charge the 9-volt smartphone. Okay. First of all, you need to know 9-volt of smartphone. So, smartphone that you are using, it is DC, direct current. Direct current. Okay. Now, this one, it is the one that we are using here. This one, it is 240 volt. It is AC. The thing that we use is DC. All right, you must know. You must understand. Okay. Now, so 240 volt to 9 volt, right? You know, this one is 240 volt input and output, it is 9 volt. So it is a step down transformer. So now we are very sure here it is not a step up. So this one is not a step up, no chance, right? This one got, this one got, this one no chance already. So you know that impossible to be just 2 diode, right? So have to be 4 diode, right? Cannot be 2 diode, right? Have to be 4 diode. And then the direction here must be these two parallel, and then these two parallel, and then this is not facing each other. It is not facing each other. All right, you need to know. So the answer is error already. You know, very, very sure. So very, very sure this one, when you answer, this one. So how to answer? All right, characteristic. Reason. Okay, the first one, it is step down transformer. Right. So why step down transformer? To reduce the potential difference from 240 volt to 9 volt. Or to reduce the voltage will be okay, I guess. To reduce the potential difference, or voltage. So normally we call it potential difference from 240 volt to 9 volt. Here. 240 volt input to 9 volt. Okay. Now the second column, it is you got student ask me, teacher, can we draw it? Yes, you can draw it, right? Because of if not, you how to answer? Right, two sides must be parallel and they are not facing each other. Will you write this? No, right? So you just write this one. You just draw it. Draw it. Draw this one. Draw it into here. So the arrangement of the electron. Electron block. Arrangement of the diode is this way. So how to explain? If you answer this one, so the full wave rate to produce a full wave, to produce a full wave rectification, right? Okay, this one can produce a full wave rectification. If 2 diode only, halfway. Alright. So now the next thing, it is box Z. It is this one, connection capacitor parallel with the resistor. So why are you answered it this way? Well, why are you said capacitor must be parallel to the resistor? Okay, to smooth the current. Right, capacitor it is adding to smooth the current. To make it uh light. Right, if you don't need adding capacitor, it will look like this. Right, if you add in, it will look like this. Right, look like this. Okay, but they are asking why capacitor parallel with the resistor. Or because I'm not sure whether this one got marked or not, so you can set you add in another one to keep the charge. Right, to keep charge. You can write another one. Right, no worry. So you write another one to keep charge. You write both if you're not sure. Write both. Like me, I'm not sure which one got marked, so I write both. Next one, output wave pattern on the CRO. It is this one, right? So you try to draw it this way. Output it is this way. Output you can write it if you don't want to draw. You can write it. This one it is called direct current, right? Direct current. Direct current. So explain why. Explain why. Effect from the capacitor to, or I am not sure what should I explain here. So output is here. Why? Why? Because we're adding capacitor. So I try to write to smooth capacitor used to smooth the current. And I explain more why it is direct current, because of the smartphone is using direct current. Okay, so which one it is best one? So you need to choose right now. R it is the best one, and then you repeat. When repeat it is kind of hard. R is the best one. Best circuit because of it is using it is step down transformer for diode is arranged in parallel and the connection of the capacitor is parallel to the resistor and direct current is produced. Okay. Alright, this is my answer. So we try to have a look into the answer. So the box X. So sometimes some teacher want you to write expect, as I told you before. So I personally, I should write here is my mistake. I should write here. Box X. I should write box X. Here box X. Here it is a box X. I should write box X, Y, Z, and then output of wave pattern. I should write it here. X and then Y. If not, it is like not complete. Why it is here. Last one, it is here output wave on the CRO. Okay, I put it to here. Okay, so we see how do they answer. So this one is step down. So decrease the output voltage from 240 watt to 9 watt, or reduce the output voltage or secondary voltage. So it is same as mine. So I'm okay. I am going to mark this one. Okay. Okay. The second one, it is 4 diode is in the diagram. Use 4 diode, right? Diagram. I didn't set 4 or diagram. Use 4 diode or draw the diagram. So I draw the not I draw. Terima lukisan 4 diode. Not I said one, they said one. Okay. So you draw this one. Okay. Why? To produce a full wave rectification. Okay, to produce a full wave rectification. Okay, no problem. Next one. And then connection capacitor with the resistor. Okay, so capacitor charge and discharge alternately in the circuit to produce a complete circuit. Smooth output current, potential difference, smoothen output current, smooth the current. I just said smooth the current. Okay lah, same thing lah. Or to keep the charge also okay. Alright, no problem. So now output wave, it is like that. Okay, they ask you to draw. Alright, smoothen line or drawing. Okay, so now stable, uniform, constant potential difference, uniform potential difference, or electric current. Right, stable. I didn't write it. Okay, so reject full wave rectification or steady. Reject full wave rectification. So I said smooth the current. So no, this one no mark. Alright, so stable, constant, electric current. So I don't have it. So this one I don't get the mark. So this one, yeah, this one no. And then lastly, what do you do is you repeat this one. You choose the error because of this one. Boleh lukis, no problem. Okay, can draw one. You no need to worry one. Right, can draw. Okay, so this one I'm going to get 1 mark, error, and then repeat one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I get 9 out of 10, which is this one. I don't get it. I don't get that mark. Okay, is that okay? So now this one, number 9. So I can get how many marks? Here 5 plus 1, 6. 6, and then here 4 mark. 6 plus 2. Here I only can get 2, right? So and then AC at plus 9. So 15, 16, 17. So I can get 17 out of 20. So I want you to get 15 or above. 15 will be good already. So if you can get 14, so another question you have to get 16. Alright. Like that. Okay. Total 30 lah. Alright, you can get 30, then will be good enough. Okay. This question, to be honest, not like I always advise you not to do it. Right, but anyhow, I'm going to do it right now. So diagram 10.1 shows the image formed when the light ray from the object propagates through the convex lens, and then focal length of the convex lens, it is 12.0 cm. State 1 characteristic of image formed in the 10.1. So here you can see it is the ballet. The ballet, it is called inverted. And then this one is big, this one is small. You can call it as diminished. Just set one only. Okay. So I will write one inverted. Actually, it is real, inverted, and diminished. Right? I just write one. So based on 10.1, calculate the image linear magnification. Alright. So and then the second one, height of the object. If the height of the image it is 3. Okay. Now the linear magnification M is equals to 2 mark. Okay. Let me see. Now this one it is 36. This one is 18. So linear magnification it is equals to right here. Magnification is equals to distance of the image, right? V over U. Right? Distance of the image over distance of the object. So it is equal to 18 divided by 36. 18.0. So here SPM, I want you to 0.0. They use 0.0. You follow 0.0. Don't write 18 only. Okay. So this one is 36.0. So 18 divided by 36, it is 0.5. Linear magnification mean it is smaller. Okay. Number 1. Not enough space. What about I write into here? Letter here still need to explain. Here cannot. I write it here lah. Never mind, leave it. Number 2, height of the image. So, height of the image is magnification is equals to height of the image divided by height of the object. This is height of the image divided by height of the object. Magnification, you know it is 0.5, right? Height of the image, height of the object, it is height of the object. If height of the image, it is 3. So height of the image is 3.0. Height of the object is, I don't know. I don't know. So height of the object is, so this one go up, this one go down, right? 3 divided by 0.5, it is 6 cm. So you get both answer here, 2 mark each. So we try to have a look into the answer. So magnification is equal to V divided by U. 18 divided by 36, it is 0.5. 1 mark each. Reject other unit, so I don't have unit. Yeah, okay, no problem. Now the second one, it is here. Magnification is height of the image divided by height of the object. It is 3 divided here. So terima ECF. So height of the image is 6.0. Wajib ada titik perpuluhan. Oh, do you write the titik perpuluhan? Tidak ada, then tidak ada mak. Right, answer with unit. Wajib ada. They said. So 1 mark each. So this one is 2 mark. Alright, hopefully you don't forget to put in 0.0. Remember. Now, this one, as I told you, it is kind of hard. Explain how the lens can be used to used to rectify short-sightedness. To rectify short-sightedness. And this question, 2 question. Now it is at 20. I give you rest 10 minutes, and then you maybe 15 minutes this question and this question you do both for me. All right, if can, you pass it up. If you had done, you can pass it up. You do it right now. We discuss after maybe 10 minutes 10 minutes at 22 right now. At 32 we discuss 10 minutes. You rest for a while. Have you done it? You can send it to me if you are done. Wait. Alright, 10 minutes. This one's 5 mark. Have you done it? Okay. Now at 31 already, so time's up already. So we explain how the lens can be used to correct the short-sightedness. So what is short-sightedness? This is your retina. So short-sightedness means this one it is too short, right? So I want to make it longer, right? To hit here, right? To hit not this one is retina. I'm sorry, this one is retina. To hit the retina here. So now I told you before, if you want it to be longer, so that is 2%. So one it is fat boy, one it is slim boy. Slim or fat, this one is not a girl, right? Look like a girl. So now slim, right? Fat. So fat cannot run short, right? So this one can run far. So what? You want it to go further. So you want it to run far. So you need to have a concave lens, right? Concave lens. First of all. Okay, concave lens. So 5 mark. Concave lens. So now the light actually come into here. Let me explain. So the light come into here, so it will go up. So why it is go up? Okay, let me explain. So when the light come into here, this one it is called tangent. So this one is called normal line. So it will not go straight. It will go less than to denser. Less than to denser, it will move toward the normal. You move toward the normal. So what will you have is the light come into here, you move toward the normal, right? When the light come into here, this is tangent, this is normal. So you will not go straight, you will not go straight, you will bend away from normal. That's why when the light come into here, right, while you are using the concave lens, you are using concave lens, so the light will go up and then hit here and then go up here, so it can go further. Okay. So first of all, concave lens is used. Okay, 1 mark. 1 point. Right. I don't know whether got mark or not. Okay, first one. You can use point form, no worry. Right. Concave lens is used. So when the light enter the lens, so it will be diverge. Reflected first, right? Because not enough mark, so reflected toward the normal. to the normal, toward normal. So when the light travel out from the lens, right, from the convex lens, concave lens, it will reflect away from normal. I put in this one because of I don't know where is the mark, so I try, right? Like just now here toward normal. So if you want, you can add in, right? The light enter the concave lens, it will reflect it to normal because the light travel from A less dense to denser. From the A to the lens, right, to the concave lens. Right, now when the light travel out from the concave lens, right, so out from the concave lens, denser to less dense, it will reflect it away from normal. Okay, next one. Now the distance, all right, distance of the light. So just now it is. So this one it will be diverge. All right, the light will be diffract, and not diffract, diverge. Okay, it will diverge upward. So now next one, so it will enter the eye's lens at the higher position. So it will hit here with higher position. So the distance of the light travel, it will be longer. All right. And finally, the light will be focused at the retina. Okay, so you want it to focus at the retina. So this is my answer. So we try to have a look into the answer. I didn't draw the diagram. So never mind. I put it into. Wait. I can't. I put it into here. This is C. 10C. Okay. 10C. Yeah. So we see this one. The answer is here. Excuse me. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to mark here. Short-sightedness happen at the image from in front of the retina. I didn't say it. Okay. The type of the lens used is concave lens. Okay. So the light will be diverged when they pass through the lens. Right, after it pass through the lens, so the light will be converged by the eye's lens. So what does it mean by converge by the eye's lens by the onto the retina? Meaning that when it enter here, so here this one is you will diverge up. So this one is converge. So I didn't have it. So the image will form at the retina, the focus at the retina. So maybe I will just get 2 to 3 mark, right? 3 mark. Huh? Normally it is 3 mark. So image, I didn't say image, the light will be focused at. So image, I should write image will be formed at the retina. So now these two, yes, I must have it, right? So this one I don't have it. So now I told you this kind of question, if can get 2 mark, then happy already. 2 to 3 mark lah. So here 1 mark. Here 1 mark, and then here 1 mark. Okay, this is the answer. Or you can label your diagram. So meaning that if you draw the diagram, it will be great, right? So if you can. So how to draw? I draw it for you here. So first of all, you need to have a eye, and then here you got your iris lens. So what is iris here? It is not so important lah. Okay, you can ignore it. So here, this is a concave lens. I'm not drawing well, but anyhow, I hope you can understand it. I'm not drawing well. So here it is retina. Alright, you label it retina. I am not drawing well. Here, retina. This one might give you a lot of mark here. Right? If you don't know, you just draw this, they will consider to give you mark. Okay, this is what we have. Okay, so I can get, I hope you can get 3 mark. I hope. Okay, so next one. Okay, now, so now what are you going to build here? You are going to build one microscope. So if you want to build a microscope, okay, now I don't know whether you still remember or not in my class. All right, so this is eye. So here, if you want to see something very far, this is called telescope. Telescope. So this is F, objective lens. This is eyepiece, FE. So now this one, because of it need to go very far, right? So FO is more than FE. So when you got this one already, then microscope terbalik, right? Microscope terbalik. So FE more than FO. So if you understand, all right, we do revision. So the power terbalik. So power, it is this one. O more than E. So this one is E more than O. Power is terbalik. So this one also power is terbalik. Power is PO more than PE. Magnification in the telescope and microscope, magnification always big over small, right? For telescope is PE over PO, or FO over FE. So for microscope, magnification is big over small. FE over FO, terbalik of this one, and then or PO over PE. Okay, I hope you still remember, right? This one in my notes got okay, I go and put it. Wait, Form 4. 4. Optical instrument convex lens. Different here. Here. Okay. So FO, right? Microscope, right? Now very easy to memorize one. So telescope, very far objective lens. So microscope, so eyepiece it is longer. So FE, right? So you see, objective lens has a focal length FO and eyepiece has a FE, and then focal length it is less than the FE. So telescope, I told you telescope how to memorize. Again, one more time, repeat many times. So here, F objective lens. So this one is far. So this is FE. FO more than FE. So microscope. I also memorize this way. FE more than FO. So FO is less than FE. FO is less than FE for microscope. Microscope. Okay, because of today we are going to focus in the microscope. So now this one is distance between the lens. It is more than FO plus FE. It is more than FO plus FE. Normal adjustment, right? Normal adjustment, more than FO plus FE, right? The distance here plus here, meaning that L is more than FO plus FE, the distance of here to here. Okay, you need to know. Okay, now come to here. Now you want to make the microscope, right? FE more than FO. FE more than FO. FE more than FO. Okay. Now the position of the object. So when the position of the object, it has to be in between F and 2F. Cannot less than F, right? Why? If you less than F, so this is your lens. If you are using the lens here, so the image form it is virtual. So image form is virtual, cannot to produce a real object and magnified object. So this is F, this is 2F, so it must be in between here. Sorry. So image will form it here. So now it must be in between F and 2F, right? Now, of course, power, right? We talk about power. Power of the objective lens. Okay. Now, again, telescope. FO more than FE. I don't want to draw already. Alright, I do few times already. So microscope FE more than FO. So power terbalik. Power is FO more than FE. So the power of the objective lens, it is low or high. So answer is high. So high, it is here. So lastly, the distance, just now I told you, it is more than FO plus FE. Okay, so answer is Q. Answer is Q. So we are going to answer right here. First of all, we are going to answer the focal length of the objective lens and the eyepiece is microscope is focal length of the eyepiece is more than focal length of the objective lens. Okay. It is better for you to write in this way. Okay. So it's FE more than FO. F no FE more than FO. Okay, FE more than FO. Why FE more than FO? Why? FE more than FO. Why? To produce larger magnification. Right? To produce a magnification. To produce a larger linear magnification. Alright. So why? Why? Because of magnification is FE over FO. If this one is small, then the magnification is small. So to produce it big. So to see the very very tiny microorganism. So now the position of the object is F. U is in between F and 2F. Position FO in between 2FO. Wait, let me see. Should be U. Should be U. FO, 2FO. U is in between FO and U, 2FO. Okay. So in between F and 2F lah. Why? Why the position of the object is in between F and 2F? Why? To produce a real and magnified image. You can produce a real and magnified image. If not, you put other way, no, it is smaller. If you want to put it near, then it will be virtual. So cannot. Alright? Cannot. Alright? You put must be in between F and 2F. So the object produced here, it is real and inverted. Okay? Next one. Next one, the power of the objective lens, it is high. Why? To produce a larger linear magnification. Same as this one, right? And lastly, distance between objective lens and eyepiece is more than F O plus F E. So this one, so that it can produce a clear image. So to produce a clear image. Okay, so which one it is the best one? Best one it is Q, because of you repeat. Right? Q it is the best setup. Q is the best setup because this one. Copy, put it here. Okay, put it in, just put it in. Okay, just put it in. Okay, we see the answer. We see how the answer given. Now here in my notes, here you got where? Let me see. Thin lens formula. Image. Here. Here. Last time during in the class, I drew it for you already. Now, objective lens of the microscope is here. So U is in between F and 2F. F and 2F. Right? I give it to you. So you can go and see here. Right, in my notes. Alright. So we see here. FO more than FE. Okay. They said FEO. Okay. FE more than FO. FE more. Yeah lah. Okay. Okay. Why? To produce a bigger image, higher linear magnification. So you see, to produce a larger linear magnification, it is correct. Okay. Now the second one, I copy it to here. Never mind, I mark it. Letter I put it in. Okay. Now U in between F and 2F, real, inverted, and bigger. So inverted it is not necessary because you don't want it to be inverted. So you produce a real and bigger will be okay. For me lah. So here, real and magnified. Bigger mean magnified lah, same thing. So inverted it is not so important. You don't want it to inverted one, but if it's inverted, you have to accept it also, right? They're using first image. They are using first image. If you can put it as a first image, will be good also, right? So the power it is high. Why? So higher linear magnification can be repeat or not? Can, right? Most of the students they takut. They not dare to repeat the answer, right? Because this reason is for it. This reason, same reason why it is cannot. No point. No, cannot be cannot one, right? So if the reason it is true, no matter what, how many times you repeat, also cannot. No need to worry. Okay. Lastly, more than FO plus FE. More than I should write this one L is more than FO plus FE lah. The clearer image, right? Let me see. To produce a sharp image, right? Clear and sharp, it is same thing lah, right? Magnify, sharp, clear, sharp. I should use sharp. So never mind, I mark myself wrong. Sharp image. Use. Okay, you can write this. So Q and then repeat this. Right? So how many marks I can get? So if I get one wrong, right, I can get 9 marks. 9 out of 10. Right? So if you can clear image and sharp image, it is the same, then I can get full mark, 10 mark. Okay? 10 mark. So now from here, this one I get 3 mark, that one I get 9 mark, 12 already. 12. This one I get 2 and 2. 12 plus 2 plus 2, 16. Right? And then this one is, answer here is A. Where is the A answer? A can be real, inverted, and diminished 1. So I can get 17 also. Okay? Are you okay with this? Now, to be honest, I don't like to do light. I guess most of you are the same. And if light come up in 9, question number 9 and 10, avoid to do it. Right? It is kind of hard. Right? It is kind of hard. Because of many of you cannot memorize this. I don't memorize it. I just understand it. If you can understand, then good lah. So cannot, then leave it. Don't do this. Okay. Now question number 11. Try to finish this question. So question number 11. So this question you have to answer. No choice. Okay. Now diagram 11. 11.1, 11.2 shows the final position of copper rod affected by catapult field. So now here, this is a final position. This is a final position. You can see the final position here. It is near, right? This is far, right? What is meaning of catapult field? Catapult field, it is the current punya field and magnet punya field combined together. So how am I going to put it into words? Combination of the field produced by current and permanent magnetic field. The combination of the field produced by the current and the field of the permanent magnet. Okay, this is called catapult field. Now, question number 11, they will ask you, relate this, compare that, and then relate this. This one is this 5 mark, it is very easy to get one. You just compare only. Compare dry cell, right? See dry cell, how many? 1, 2, 3. This one, 1, 2. So this one is more than this one, right? 11.2 is more than 11.3, right? Number of dry cell. Okay, can use greater this one or not? Can. No worry, can one. Okay. Now the next one. I had to that one. Or I write it to here. Later I copy down. If not, so hard for me to do. So compare the number of dry cell. I do it already. Compare the angle of deflection. Compare the angle of where got angle? Oh, the angle of deflection of the emitter. Okay, so the emitter, this one deflect a lot. This one deflect little only. So angle of deflection in 11.2 more than 11.1. So angle of deflection of the emitter pointer in diagram 11.2 greater than 11.1. Okay. Next one. Final position of the rod. Final position, this one is far, this one is near. Okay. So final position of the copper rod is in diagram 11.2 is greater than 11.1. Right, further than 11.1. Okay, so I have answer 1, 2, and then 3. Now relate. This one 5 mark. Relate the number of dry cell used and the magnitude of current. The greater, always use the word of greater. The greater the number of dry cell, the greater the magnitude of the current. Right? And then lastly, the 5th mark. Just now got 1 mark already. 2, 3, 4. And then lastly, deduce the relationship between the magnitude of electric current flow and the force produced. Greater the magnitude of the electric current flow, the greater the force produced. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we go to see the answer first. Question number 11. So the resultant, I need to say resultant magnetic field. Okay, so this is the answer. This is the answer. The resultant magnetic field produced by interaction between the magnetic field of the current carrying conductor and the magnetic field. So if I write it into this way, it will be no mark. Okay. Now, be careful. Be careful. So this one I mark myself wrong. Okay. Never mind. So you can go and copy in your book. So or I put it into here lah. A. If not, it is kind of hard for me to put there. A. So that I no need to recopy so many times. Okay, A, B. Now C. Now always come to here. It is kind of hard, right? So diagram 11.3 shows the structure of the direct current motor. As I told you, motor. You use electric. You got electric, then your motor can turn, right? So you need to use left hand. So and then it is direct current, right? Explain the working principle of direct current motor. Direct current motor. So you see, they ask in this way. How do I know what should you? What do you want, right? So current flow, direct current motor. Current flow. I don't know. Current flow through the solenoid in the magnetic field. Okay, now actually it come in this way. So this one is your magnet, and then this is your solenoid. So this is your carbon brush, and then connect it to here, direct current. Right, commutator. This is commutator. All right. So the current flow through the solenoid. I don't know. We need to mention this one. The commutator or not, or I put it in letter lah. Put it in letter. So and parts field, because of interaction of the magnet and the current produce a catapult field, right? Interaction of the current, the field of the current and the permanent magnet produce catapult field. So a force is produced, meaning that after that there is a force pushing it upward or downward. All right, so north to south current flow in. This one is down, never mind. This one is going downward, so this one is going upward. The force is produced to turn the solenoid into clockwise or anti-clockwise. Or anti-clockwise direction. Next one. So now to ensure it to always turn into the same direction, so commutator is used. Turn into the same direction. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I added, I takut because of this format. I put 4 letter, not enough. How? So the electrical energy converted to kinetic energy. Okay, this is what I have, and then I put it to here. See, wait, I put it to here. Okay, so we try to have a look into the answer. You see, number of dry cell 11.2 is greater or more than, like that also can, greater than 11.1. Always use greater. I told you, don't use other word like weird one like more. Sometimes more it is sometimes more okay. This one more okay lah. So number of dry cell. If you said number of dry cell in the diagram is higher than, higher. Are you sure higher is correct? So greater is always correct. Higher and more sometimes got some of them are wrong. You be careful. 2 is more than 1. 2 is more than 1. Okay. So the higher the number of dry cell, the higher the current. So you just write it this way. Just follow them. All right, this one is easy. So the higher the magnetic of current, the higher or the greater the force produced. All right, always use greater. So the next one, first one, it is the electric flow through the conductor produce a magnetic field. Okay. First one, electric flow through the conductor produce a magnetic field. Next one. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Current flow through the solenoid in the magnetic field. Okay. And then interaction between the field and the current produce the catapult field. So that is a catapult field produced. So these two actually can give me 2 marks lah. But never mind, I give myself 1 mark only. I purposely give lower. Okay. And then the next one, produce the pair of force, 2 force with the same direction in the in the different direction. So motor rotate turning effect occur. So the force is produced to turn the solenoid in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Okay, yeah, same thing. All right, same as this. So same force or same direction of force or opposite direction of force. Okay, then the motor rotate turning effect occur. So now the commutator wait, let me see. See here more clear. So the commutator gelang terbelah menyebabkan arus mengalir into satu arah dalam gegelung. So this one, no. Tidak perlu semak jika pelajar tulis flux magnet terpotong. Magnetic flux cut, you write here. Tidak perlu. You are going to have wrong idea. Okay, cannot. Right, this is nothing to do with magnetic flux. So 4 marks. So 4 marks, I get 2 marks. This is what I have. So, so at least train yourself to get at least 2 marks and above. You see, I also always get 2 marks. No need to be shy. Teacher, I get 2 marks only. Yeah, alright. Actually, I can get 3 marks lah. This one I can consider to get 3 marks lah. But never mind, I mark myself lower. So the keyword must be in. Okay. Right. The last one. All right. We look at the last one. The hardest part is this one. Okay. Now, diagram 11.4 shows the direct current motor used to turn the tires on the toy car. You want to turn the toy car? Suggest a modification can be done to the motor of the toy car so that it can move with greater speed. They don't give you anything. So, correct. Okay, you want to move it faster? So let me read again. I see anything or not. So anything given or not. So 11.4 shows a direct current motor. So tied on the toy car, and modification can be done to the motor so that it can greater speed. So don't have anything. So the only one thing that few thing that you know it is current more. So produce more force, right? So use more battery. So current more current. So more catapult field. No, more force produced. So the toy car can move faster. Okay, use more battery. So Now, second one, use stronger magnet. Use stronger magnet. So why? More force produced. More force produced. The catapult field it is stronger, so it can produce more force. So it can move the toy car faster. Right? Stronger magnet. More current, more magnet. More current, more magnet. I got two only. GG this time. So reduce the mass of the toy car. Right? Or weight of the toy car. Like the. So it can accelerate easily. More current, more magnet. More turn. Increase the number of turn in the solenoid. So it can produce more force. Same thing, so it can move the toy car faster. More turn, more current. Because of more battery, so I don't have idea. I use more current, increase the current. Alright, I know it is repeating. I know, because I don't have any other idea. So increase the current, produce more force. So reduce. This one is not so important one. Reduce, increase the size of the wire. Right, a diameter of the wire, size of the wire, diameter. Right. Reduce the resistance. Reduce the resistance, so more current can flow through. So more current can flow through and produce more force. So I use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 extra one already. So we are gonna see this. Screenshot this one. I put it to here. Okay, they said you can. Let me see. Why they cancel all? Oh, okay. They want 2 jiri wire. 3 jiri magnet. They want or 3 jiri wire, 2 magnet. Cannot all battery. Alright. So if you set more number of battery, okay, 1 enough. Right? More number of battery, higher number, more number of battery, more potential energy, more current, more produce. Okay. The cannot lithium battery, more battery, GMF more, EMF more, not GMF, EMF more, and then ultra capacitor. No. Just one enough. Just one. Take one only. Okay. Take note. So I set more number. Okay, I'm okay here. More number of battery. Use more battery. Yeah. Okay. Produce more current. Yeah, will be okay. No problem. Right. Let me see. They said produce more current. Yeah. Right. So if you said use lithium mass is low. Right. So different potential different higher, current higher. Okay. So wire, the wire, bigger diameter or higher number of turn. All right. Oh, so this one can choose two wire. All right, can choose two. They said right. Battery they don't give. I am not sure. Let me finish reading it first. Wait. So the diameter and number of turn both are okay. Right. So they said reject increased current. Right. Reject bilangan gegelung. Right. Increase the current, reduce the resistance. Okay. Bigger diameter. Okay, not. Let me see. Okay. Here. Increase the diameter, reduce the resistance. More current can flow through. Yeah. Okay. So higher number of turn, right? More number of turn. Increase the number of turn. Okay. Increase the number of turn. So increase the number of turn. Increase the force. Increase the force. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Next one. Alang. I put copy until here. The magnet I put it in letter. So the wire one including this one, right? Here. Okay. Now lower resistance, lower resistivity copper wire. So what do they mean is you can choose 3 or 2. If you choose this one 2 wire, and then you talk 2 about wire, then 3 magnet. If you talk about 3 magnet, 2 magnet and then 3 wire. So this one you can put 2 to 3. So yeah, you can write more or not? Yes, can. Lower resistance, lower resistivity copper wire I all don't have. Okay. So lower resistance, higher current. Lower resistivity, lower resistance. Copper wire, lower resistance. Okay. I all don't have. I didn't put it. So now we talk about magnet. I put all in. So now the magnet, it is stronger magnet, cylindrical shape. Okay. Neodymium magnet, or this one cannot. This one cannot. Magnet lebih besar, higher number of magnet. Alright. Higher number of magnet already got more number of magnet. Okay. So increase the strength of the magnet. So use stronger magnet, increase the strength of the magnet. Yes. So can produce more force. Okay. It can produce more force. Alright. Increase the strength of the magnet, increase the force. Alright. Or this one, or this one, or this one. Either one. Alright. Cylindrical shape. Or concave shape also can. Right. Radial shape also can. Radial magnetic field. Alright. You can see if you are using cylindrical shape, you can say a radial magnetic field. Why I don't think of it? My mistake. So motor, brushless DC. Alright, I don't have it. So I don't have this. So brushless, it is reduce the friction, produce less heat. So how many marks do I get? Here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I short off 2 marks. Right? So 8 over 10. So this question, be careful. So I get 8 over 10. So meaning that here at, let me calculate. At 9, 10. So this one is 5. 10, 10 plus 5, 15. So this one, I don't get it. I don't get it. So I still get 15. So the minimum way for you to get it is this one. I told you at least 15 marks. Right? So that you can get A. Mm. Is that okay? So, um, next week we are going to continue to discuss this one and paper one. Right? Discuss the question number 1 to number 8. Okay? I will send it to you again the time. All right? Any question? If any question, you can PM me. Is that okay? Any question? If no question, then I am going to stop here. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. All the best. Bye bye.